Today, I'll show you how to use Grammarly to edit your book effectively. Whether you're a seasoned author or just getting started, Grammarly can be a powerful tool in your editing arsenal. With the right approach, you can enhance your manuscript, improve your storytelling, and refine your writing style. Let's dive in and explore how to make the most of Grammarly for editing your book. First, you'll want to open your manuscript on the web. This is an essential first step, as Grammarly's robust features are best utilized in a digital format, allowing you to make real-time edits and adjustments. Once your manuscript is open, take a moment to identify a specific area that might need some extra attention. This could be a clunky paragraph or a scene description that lacks sensory depth. Highlight this section, as we'll be using it to demonstrate how Grammarly can help enhance your writing. Now direct your attention to the floating pencil or light bulb icon that appears on your screen. Clicking on this icon will summon Grammarly's generative assistant, a feature designed to help you think creatively about your edits. Instead of relying on standard presets, you can type in targeted creative prompts directly into the command bar. This is where you can get specific and tailor the help you receive to meet your unique needs. For example, let's say you want to transform a straightforward paragraph into something more vivid and engaging. You might type a prompt like, "Show, don't tell." Rewrite this paragraph to emphasize sensory details and tension without using adverbs. This command encourages the tool to focus on enhancing the sensory depth of your writing, making your narrative more immersive for the reader. It's a great way to bring scenes to life by focusing on the details that might otherwise be overlooked. Another scenario could involve dialogue. Perhaps a conversation between two characters feels a bit flat or lacks the urgency you intended. In this case, you might use the prompt, "Adjust the cadence of this dialogue block to make the speaker sound more frantic and hurried." By doing so, you guide the generative assistant to alter the rhythm and pace of the dialogue, creating a more dynamic and engaging exchange that reflects the intended mood of the scene. Once Grammarly generates its suggestions, it's crucial to compare the original text with the AI-generated text side by side. This step allows you to borrow strong phrasing choices while maintaining control of the scene. Remember, the goal is not to let the AI take over your style, but to enhance and refine it. By comparing both versions, you can select the best elements from each to create a final draft that stays true to your voice while benefiting from the AI's assistance. Take your time to carefully review the changes and consider how they improve the overall flow and impact of your writing. This thoughtful approach ensures that your edits not only enhance the text but also align with your narrative goals. There you have it, a straightforward yet powerful way to use Grammarly for editing your book. By leveraging the tool's features with targeted prompts, you can significantly improve the quality of your manuscript. Whether you're focusing on sensory details or the cadence of dialogue, Grammarly offers valuable insights and suggestions that can elevate your writing to new heights. Happy editing!